Doctors are shocked. This vitamin boosts your legs and stops cramps fast. It turns out your leg weakness, painful cramps, and even balance problems after 60 might not just be due to aging, but a lack of one simple vitamin. And today, we're revealing the 7 essential nutrients that can transform your legs, boosting strength, stopping cramps, and keeping you steady on your feet. Hi, and welcome to Wellspring Channel, your trusted guide to staying strong, mobile, and independent. If you've been waking up with calf cramps, feeling wobbly when you walk, or struggling with weak legs, stay tuned. You'll discover exactly which vitamins and minerals your body might be missing, and how to fix it, starting today. Vitamin 1. Vitamin D. First up is vitamin D, the silent leg strength activator. This vitamin powers up your muscle fibers, helping you stand, walk, and keep your balance. But as we age, we spend less time in the sun, which means lower vitamin D levels. Experts recommend 800 to 2,000 IU daily through supplements or foods like salmon and fortified milk to keep your legs strong and steady. Vitamin 2. Calcium. The bone movement connector. Without enough calcium, bones become brittle and fractures more likely. Pairing calcium with vitamin D ensures your body actually absorbs it. Dairy, almonds, and leafy greens are your best friends here. Vitamin 3. B12. Vitamin B12 is your balance and nerve guardian. Low B12 can cause numbness, tingling, and dizziness, making you unsteady. Because stomach acid decreases with age, seniors often need B12 supplements or B12-rich foods like eggs, fish, and fortified cereals. Vitamin 4. Magnesium. Then we have magnesium, the cramp-calming mineral. This nutrient relaxes your muscles and stops painful spasms. Stress, medications, and processed foods can drain magnesium, so boost your intake with spinach, pumpkin seeds, and whole grains. Vitamin 5. Potassium. Potassium is the muscle balancer. It keeps your cells hydrated and your muscles firing properly. Low potassium is a major cause of night cramps, especially if you take water pills. Stock up on bananas, sweet potatoes, and even coconut water. Vitamin 6. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is the bone protector. It makes sure calcium goes into your bones, not your arteries. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and fermented foods like natto are excellent sources. Vitamin 7. Vitamin B6. And don't forget vitamin B6, the energy and recovery vitamin. It helps your muscles repair after activity and keeps you from feeling tired and weak. You can get it from chicken, potatoes, bananas, and fortified cereals. Here's the good news. It's never too late. Even after 60, your body can rebuild muscle, improve balance, and stop those annoying cramps with the right nutrition. Just a few small changes can help you stay active, independent, and enjoying life to the fullest. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. We share science-backed tips every week to keep you moving, strong, and healthy. Your support helps us reach more seniors who need this life-changing information. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.